Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tuna burger in Dreamlight Valley. To begin, you will need to gather 5 specific ingredients. First, find 1 tuna, 1 lemon, 1 onion, and 1 wheat. Additionally, select any single vegetable you prefer, such as lettuce or tomato. Once you have all 5 items, head over to any cooking station to start preparing your delightful dish. Now that you have all your ingredients, it is time to start cooking. Approach any cooking station and interact with it. From your inventory, carefully place the 1 tuna, 1 lemon, 1 onion, and 1 wheat into the cooking pot. Don't forget to add your single chosen vegetable as well. Double-check that all 5 ingredients are in the pot, then initiate the cooking process to create your burger patty. Once the cooking animation finishes, your delicious tuna burger will be ready. This fantastic meal is classified as a 5-star entree, making it a top-tier dish in the valley. It is not only a great source of energy, restoring 2,092 energy points, but it also fetches a good price. You can sell this gourmet burger for 1,373 star coins. Congratulations, you have successfully crafted a tuna burger. This 5-star entree is incredibly beneficial, offering a substantial energy boost of 2,092 points to keep you adventuring longer. If you prefer, you can also sell it for a generous 1,373 star coins. Whether you eat it or sell it, this versatile dish is a wonderful addition to your culinary repertoire. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.